Alright guys, welcome back and alright today, so in my previous video I beat Moonlord. So I did off camera I beat Moonlord again. And this is insanely lucky because he dropped the Meow Mirror and the Lunar Portal Staff and the Lunar Portal Staff. But he also dropped almost exactly enough Luminite, only 2 bars off for the whole set, for the headgear and the bottom. But so I also have the Rod of Harmony and the Terraformer, but that's not really why I'm here today. I mean, it is, but the real reason why I'm here is because mythril anvil. Just kidding. Ba da 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 We got all of it. We got the Zenith and the armor. We are about to be daytime episode light. Oh wait, let's see how quickly we can destroy the Nebula Pillar. Insta dead. Bro, look at these enemies. They are just, they're gone. And I know I'm a summoner using the Zenith, but I mean, it's the best weapon in the game. Can you actually blame me though? Alright, so yeah, this is not the end of my series. Nowhere near. Actually, pretty close. We got the armor. We got it. We got the armor. We got almost all the equips. Just all we need after this would be the Papyrus Scarab. I am not dying that stupid thing. We got the Zenith. I am. Thank you all so much. And I know I already said that in my last video, and that it's even the title of the last video, but thank you all so much. Now, I guess the last thing I need is the Keith's blood. Or daytime. There's a lot. Okay. So in this video, since I already got the Zenith, and I already showed you the Rod of Harmony and the Terraformer and the Stardust Guardian, now that all of that's out of the way. Wait, I gotta test something. Oh, dang it. Now that all of that is out of the way, it's time for daytime episode light and also finding strange plants. This is going to be a long video. Or decently long, I hope. So yeah. Just look at that though. Look at those swords. Each one of those swords. Just wait a minute. Oh, I can just go and reforge this bad boy. Bro, I swear if I run out of gold on like a broken one or something. Alright, Mr. Goblin Tinkerer, where are you? I swear if you're sitting under someone. Bro, the dryad again? Just get in your house, kid. Alright, what's the status? Oh, only 27. Oh, okay. Yeah, earlier I like completely removed like half of the world's corruption. And it didn't change, but I guess now that I left and rejoined since then, it changed. Oh, how do I... Like, can you guys move? 251. All that's left is getting the Terra Prisma. Well, that's not all that's left. We also need Keith's blood and everything, but... This is the not last boss, but the last actual boss. I already have it in my bestiary, and there's Dreadnoughtos, Duke Fishron, there's the Santa dude, there's the Christmas tree, but Daytime Empress Light is gonna be a real test of skill. Gosh, why is there a howl background? Get all that howl out of here. Oh. This is gonna be the real test of my skill. But until then, I think we just start looking for strange plants because, as you can see, it is, let me check. Yeah, it is just turning day, so we would have to wait until night and then wait for it to be day again. So, let's just go and look for some strange plants. I know the corruption has some strange plants. Actually, let's just beat all the pillars and beat Moonlord. Dude, if I lose to Moonlord, that would be so, that would be so stupid. Like, imagine losing to Moonlord with the Zenith and the whole entire Stardust armor. Oh yeah, I forgot to pick up the last vortex fragments. It turns out it's in the same place. Strange. Ah, let me leave. It's keeping me in the same place. No, I keep getting hit by things that are keeping me in the same place. Yes, let me be free. Ah. But dude, the last prism is actually kind of cracked. Not kind of cracked, like really cracked. Right, time to pick up these. You're joking. A lightning beam after I beat the enemy that does the lightning, and it does 69 damage. You're joking. Alright, what? Yeah, let's reforge it. Oh, wait, no, I forgot. We can't, because... But, dude, just look at this thing. All of that. The Star Fury, the Star Wrath, the Seedor, the Terrorblade, the Horseman's Blade, the Beekeeper, the Copper Short Sword. All of that. For this OP thing. I'm speechless. I'm actually speechless. Turns out I never beat the Solar Pillar. I am actually speechless. I've only had this world for 3 months. I just figured that out today. I have only had this world for 3 months. 3 months, and we've beat it. Now, I don't know if that's a lot or a little, but I'm pretty sure that's a little. Hopefully. Like, I've only had, okay, so I've had Terraria for over a year. But I've only, like, actually been playing it for, like, 4 months. So, I'm just... And also, all the pillars only have 50 shield because I beat Moonlord, so... Alright, looks like impending doom is approaching. Doesn't matter. So let me just get those. Oh, let's also get the 3 lunar portals that I can get. And then the Crimson Cloud. There we go, we're good. Let me also just get all these. I have no doubt in my mind that we are going to lose, that we are going to win. Wait, I have no doubt in my mind that we're going to win. So, let's just try it. Oh, I also forgot the enchanted sword. I just saw it. The enchanted sword is also part of the zenith. Alright, let's see. I think this is like the last one before he spawns. And... Don't disappoint, don't disappoint. Oh, damn, there's another one. Dude, I want to see how fast I can beat this boss. If I even beat it. It would be so... Bro, that would be so sad if I didn't beat it. That would actually be... That would be sad. Oh my gosh, look at the lunar portals. Go for the other hand, go for the other hand. Other hand. Alright, that's charging up its speed. Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. Got it, got it. Core, get the core, get the core. Okay, I kind of knew I was going to win it. I mean, I said it would be sad if we lost, and it really would have been, so. We didn't lose, so. The celebration and the crystal. I'm recording. No! Oh my gosh, I got it! Dude! Alright, you need fireworks. I don't know how to get fireworks. Dude, the rainbow crystal staff, you're joking that I just got that. Which one's better, the lunar portal or the crystal? Alright, thank goodness I picked up all the luminite. For a second I was questioning if I picked up all the luminite. I was like, oh crap. It's a, yeah, MK2. All of this. All of this. Look at this world. Look. Look at this world. When I started this series, would you ever have thought that I would have gotten the Zenith? Or the Stardust armor? It is actually insane that I did. It's a thing that most people quit before doing. So, oh, I'm proud of myself. But how do you use the electrosphere? How do you shoot it? What ammo does it require? Yeah, I'll just keep that in my inventory just in case. Just in case. Alright, where is this thing? Let's just craft some bars. Oh, I should have made the void monolith. It doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter. I can just absolutely obliterate Moonlord again. Enemies are more likely to Oh, I could get the solar. Oh, I'm stupid. Where's the Stardust drill? Beep, 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 beep. Can you fly forever with the Stardust wings? Like, be honest with me right now. Can you fly forever with them? Oh. Wait, I have 20 specter. Oh. I have 19. Okay, wait. I'm gonna make this drill. And then before it turns, wait, guide, where's the guy? Oh, I killed the guy, didn't I? I wonder if he moved back in yet. Let me just check. Crappity crapperson. You know what? Maybe. No, it's... Yes! I'm so happy I tracked. Time to just use the Rod of Harmony to TP all the way to the Hallow. Bro, this is so OP. And then, hello, Logan. They say there's a person who will tell you to survive in this land. Oh, wait, that's me. Ah, so funny. This. This. It's 40. I thought it was only 20. The freaky shroomite. Alright, so I have half of the specter bars I need. I have a fourth, or I have a ninth. I have a fourth of the illuminate I need. I have a zeroth of the shroomite. I have a zeroth of the health. Actually, maybe no. I might have a bit of health, and I have a zeroth of the meteorite bars. But I do have meteorite in my world, so not to fear. But there's also all that specter armor. You know, if I wanted to be a mage, I could craft the nebula for specter. What time of day is it? I have no doubt in my mind. Wait, okay, how much health does Moonlord have? Be honest with me. Be honest with me. 50k? You're joking, right? Doesn't he have like 200k? Huh? What? Okay, maybe not 200k, but there's no way he only has 50k, right? Only 70 defense? What? Yeah, I've killed 3. What the frick? Huh. Alright, well, I guess it's just time to... What the clutch was that? Oh my gosh, that was the most clutchiest clutch I've ever clutched. Oh my gosh. Alright. Okay, that was insane though, actually. Do you think I could beat Daytime Episode 8 by just... Oh wait, I gotta walk into it. To remove all momentum so that it gets me into the teleport way faster. Oh, I forgot how overpowered some swords can... I tried this with the Terrorblade once. It is really good. It, like, really good. Ah, get me out. Alright, well, I guess now we just waiting. Excuse me. Yeah, I didn't want to be... I guess we can just play around now, because... I mean, until it's nighttime, which it will be in a bit. Do you think it's time? No. It can't be time. It can't be time. It can't be. No, I'm not taking off the fox. Maybe I'll swap my coat out for a winter coat, though. No, I'll only do that in the winter. But, guys, I really feel like I've beaten the game. I mean, I have, but I haven't. I mean, getting the Terra Prisma and Keith's Blood and beating the Frost Moon and Dread Nautilus and Duke Fishron, I'll have done it all. I mean, look at the percentage on my bestiary. I mean, like, look. Well, what's this? Oh, a failing, yeah. Like, look at it. I've killed 42. What? Alright, no, that's besides the point. But, look. All of this. All of this. All of this. All of it. And just beating more keep filling up my bestiary, and I'm on the last page. I'm on the last page. Where's flight? Alright, is it nighttime? Come on. Okay, it's practically nighttime. Oh yeah, I forgot. I barely have a hollow biome anymore. Whoopsie, that's my fault. And there's still a hollow background, so I think we'll be fine. Hey, dye trader, you think that I can buy anything? Fog pound. My, this is not good. The putrid surroundings are dulling my dye petals. Did Blood just say that the Hallow is a putrid surrounding? My dear, this place is quiet enough to sleep like a sultan. Okay, okay, that's it. You think you pull a fast one than Akbar? Oh, I don't think so. Only the rarest of flowers for these special bottles. These bottles, sorry friend, these don't take coins. These are us for. Ah! It's the strongest beast in the whole game. How do I beat it? I'm trying to teleport on it. It's not doing anything. Save me! Rainbow crystals, why are you not doing anything? 276 summon damage? You're joking. What the Oompa Loompa was that? Oh my Oompa Loompa. That was crazy. That was brazy, my guy. I have made the ultimate killing machine. What have I done? Oh, come on, prismatic lace wings. I just want to kill you. So I can summon your total master. What have said? I'm your master, really. Because I am smart. I am saying the most random stuff ever. Maybe it's just because I literally just had a donut before making this. How the frick did I never notice that? You're freaking joking. You're joking, bro. You're actually joking. You're joking. My guy. Oh my gosh. What the? Look at all that. It's so much. What the frick? I don't need that banner. Oh, I just realized I have a ton of random crap in my inventory. Or just two things. Oh my gosh, this is not even a pyramid, bro. It goes under the pyramid. No. Is that crimson? No, that's not crimson. That's not crimson. What was that? That was garbage. Absolute garbage. You know, I'm completely removing this hollow biome. Absolute garbage. Ugh. So horrible. You know. Okay, that's way too slow. It's literally faster to just teleport or, like, literally walk up. Bro, why? How did I never notice that that was there? Oh my gosh, the Stardust Guardian provides light, my guy. Like I have a prismatic shadow orb. I have a Stardust Dragon, and and a Stardust Guardian to emit light. Like she. All right. I wonder if any prismatic light swings have shown up. What time of night is it? Oh, frick. Bro, show me where the graves are. Like, oh my gosh, are there? Okay, there's only a few. Phantasmal sphere. Oh, shut up. Wait, did that say February 24th? Was that yesterday? Oh yeah, that was yesterday when I tried to fight Moonlord. I think. What the frick? Why? That is so OP. Oh my gosh. That is in freaking sane. Oh my gosh. That was crazy, my guy. Absolutely brazy. Oh, come on. I just need one prismatic. Fine. It's time to pull out the big guns. Precision is the real way to go. Alright, it says it has the blue. Alright, it does have the blue. Alright. What the heck? Why does the Rod of Harmony go flying above my head whenever I use this? I'm just putting the Hallow back for a bit. I'll get rid of it eventually. Eventually, yeah. Wait, do I still have my bug net? Yeah. Alright. And now we use the tactic called waiting. Yeah, I know. You're a deadly sphere, huh? Huh, what do you have to say about that, huh? I think it's starting daytime. How long is this video? 20? Yeah, almost 30. Okay, well, seriously though, do you think that I should be a summoner using a kaleidoscope? Clearly, I don't have it on me anymore. Like, should I be using the kaleidoscope or the zenith? Seriously though, like, just answer. Which one? Or should I be using this? Like, what the garbage is that? Okay. I really wish we had one stored. I swear I do, but maybe I don't. Wait, what did that say? I thought that said 660. Sheesh, my guy. Alright, what bosses should we fight? I give up on Empress Light for now. Oh yeah, and also I think my next video is going to be Sonic Forces. So yeah, if you want to see that, then wait for that. Should we go fight the lunatic cultist again? Dude, I'm desperately in need of something to do. I just want to fight Empress of Light. Okay, the pillars are absolute garbage, but I guess the lunatic cultist is slightly fun. Slightly. Or we could look for strange plants. I remember that there was one over here somewhere. Oh, I got rid of it. Who knows? Let's see how fast, just how fast. Alright, first let's test it on these dudes. Okay, I literally tapped and then did not even touch my mouse again. But let's see how fast it does against. I mean, what did you expect, huh? What'd you expect, boy? What'd you expect? This is, what the heck even is this? What even is this, bro? What even is this? Bro, what even is, it's just gone. Okay, yep, that's the solar pillar. Uh, okay, that was easy enough. Alright, guys, well, how about this? After I kill the next thing that I kill, I'm gonna end the video. And the next time I upload a Terraria video, I'll try to remember to have prismatic lace wings on hand, just so I can fight Days of Empress Light. I mean, I have the Zenith, the whole Stardust gear, a flying spaceship. Like, when I watched the video on the Summoner's Guide, Zuzuhorn's Summoner's Guide to beating Days of Empress Light, uh, he used post golem gear. Like, he used the sanguine staff and the hallowed armor. Okay, I mean, he said the hallowed armor would protect you, but I have the brain of confusion for that. Yeah. So, I'm gonna beat one. Did I already fly past? Oh, no. Okay, thank goodness. I'm surprised that I haven't gotten the. Okay, Stargazer. What the frick? Did it follow me? Oh, I'm just trying to check my bestiary. Okay, so chill. No, not any. I think it would be boss filters. Yeah. Yeah, Midlord. Where's the celestial starboard? Where? You want to explain that to me? Huh? Alright, fine. Oh, look, it's the don't starve together thing. Well, bye, guys. See you next time. Make sure to like and subscribe.